We are going to be removing this wallpaper. We've already removed the paper on the other 3 walls in this room. A couple of things that you need to have to prepare for wallpaper removal is a couple of steamers, just in case. That's kind of like your worst case scenario if the wallpaper isn't coming off very easily. You're going to want a blade. It's like an 1.5 inch blade, a 6-inch blade, a drywall knife. You're going to want to have a razor blade to kind of score the edge along the base. You're going to want to have one of these little bottle sprayers to mix your dip in, your glue remover with some hot water, and then your diff wallpaper remover. And we lay a couple of drop cloths down along the edges that we're working in, just to make sure that you have, when you're removing the wallpaper, there's going to be a lot of stuff coming off, and it'll come off in shreds. You want to contain it, and then you also want to be able to throw it into a garbage bag, so just have a garbage bag ready for you here. And then any items in the middle, most homeowners will put the items in the center of the room. We're just going to want to cover these up like you see here. So that's kind of how